Hey everybody, welcome to my home. We're going to make the easiest cocktail ever that you can make from the comfort of your home. No special tools, no crazy special ingredients necessary. First thing that you're going to do is make simple syrup. So it's equal parts sugar, just your regular grocery store granulated sugar, and boiling water. So that's 1 cup of sugar, and I've got my boiled water. And you're going to give that a stir. So there we go, we've got your simple syrup. Now, typically what you want to do for an old fashioned is combine all the ingredients in a mixing glass and with ice, and then pour it over fresh ice in a glass. If you don't have a mixing glass, French press or pint glass or any other kind of vessel, mason jar is going to do great. First thing is you're going to add your bourbon. I actually don't have any bourbon at home. I've got this Canadian rye. That's fine. And something to measure with, so it could be kind of a smaller measuring cup like this, or a shot glass. Mine says Plaza La Fiesta that I got in Cancun. And you're going to pour 2 full portions, teaspoon of the simple syrup that you made. And you're going to want to add some sort of aromatic bitters. Angostura is the most popular. It's widely available in any grocery store. 3 dashes. Add your ice. If you are able to get these silicone molds, are really great. And give that a stir. If you don't have a bar spoon, I like to use a chopstick. Most important part when you're stirring is to make sure you're just stirring it vigorously. So pretty much as fast as you can. You want the drink to get diluted, you want it to get a little bit cold, or actually as cold as possible. These are 2-inch molds, perfect for old-fashioned cocktail. And the great thing about the French press is that it already comes with a strainer. So you can go ahead and just pour it over the ice. Last but not least, going to cut orange peel. Try to not get much of the white pith, mostly just the outer layer of the skin. And you're going to try to express the oils on top of your drink. And drop it inside. There you have the old fashioned. Cheers.